Welcome to Shomach Shov on the Daf. Shir sponsor Loy Nishvas. I'm Yaakov Shalom Le'Abbas Yitzchok. We're holding in Sanhedrin Daf Nun Vov. The Mishnah in the Tav Amud Aleph says that when the Eidim had to speak about Megadef, but someone who curses Klapi Malo, they used the word Yosi. Yakeh Yosi es Yosi. Referring to the name of Hashem, instead of saying the name of Hashem, they used the name Yosi. Now Rashi explains the name Yosi. Why is Yosi? It is 4 letters, and the numeric value of Yosi is Elohim, 86. And that's why he used Dafka this name. The Rama, and the Yad Rama over here, he has a different girsa. Instead of Yosi, he says Yosa, with a Hey in the end. And he explains that Yosa has Yud, Vav, and Hey, which is 3 letters, which represent all the letters of Shem Yud Kei Vav Kei, because Yud Kei Vav Kei is Yud Kei Vav Kei. So he's saying Hey twice. So then all the letters that you have in the name is Yud, Vav, and Hey. That's all there. And he brings the girsa of Rashi that says Yosi, and he says the reason is because if you take the Yud, the Vav, and the Yud in Yosi, that's a numeric value of 26, which is the name of Yud Kei Vav Kei. Now, why you have a Samech, according to both explanations? So says the Rama, the reason you have a Samech, because Samech means Simin. Meaning telling you, we're not saying the name of Hashem itself, it's only a Simin for the name of Hashem. And this, Rav Yosef Engel brings in Gilyoni Hashas and Gidin Daf Lamed Vav, that's another proof that the letter Samech represents Simin. As you see over here, the Rama says Samech represents Simin. The Ridvaz in Shuvah and Chilek Chei Simin Kuf Chofei also speaks about it. And he also mentions this idea that the reason we say Yoso, is we're saying the Yoso of the Rama, is because you have the Yud, Kei, and Vav in these letters, which is the 3 letters represents all the letters of the name Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei. And he says the letter Samech is really a Chaf and a Vav combined together. So Chaf and a Vav together, what's Chavav? 26, the Gematria, the numeric value of the name Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei. So says the Ridvaz, all this leads us to, all these simonim, is to tell you that the only name that you chayav on is Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei. Because Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei is the numeric value of 26, that is the Yud, the Hey, and the Vav, but not anything else. And he questions, therefore, the Rambam and Perek Beis Minchas of Adazaro that says that you chayav not only a Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei, but you chayav also an Adnos, Aleph, Dal, Nun, Yud. So he says, from what we're learning, that you need to have Shem HaFerish. Shem HaFerish is only Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei. And to understand what the Rambam says, the Rizkarov here, the spot, explains that the way the Rambam learns the name Adnos is not that when you have Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei, you can read Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei. So instead of reading Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei, we say Adnos instead. And it's just a random name that you put on the name Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei. The Rizkarov learns that the way the Rambam says Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei, the way we read it is Adnos, meaning the same way you have Kri and Ksiv. When you have a Kri and Ksiv, means you have a Ksiv, that's the way it's written, but you read that Ksiv in a different way. It's the way you pronunciate this word. So according to the Rambam, Adnos is not just a random or a standalone name. Adnos is the way we are able to read Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei. That's how we connect to that name. So because it's part of Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei, if Yud, Kei, Vav, Kei, a person is chayav and mitzad, the fact that he is doing a noikiv shame, so Adnos is also part of it, and that may be the explanation here in the Rambam. But Al Kol Panim, the name Yosi or Yosa mentioned in the Mishnah refers to Shem HaFerish. Anyone who wants to join the Shomach Shava email list to what's to go, please email shomachshava@gmail.com.